Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick arm swatch, eye swatch, and eye look of the new Dose of Colors Snow Angel palette that recently launched a couple days ago. I know that it is still available on their website, and I think Ulta will be carrying this as well soon. From my understanding, this is limited edition. You get 5 very interesting shades, and I will get into the swatches right now. Let's get into it, guys. In case anybody was wondering if there is a difference between the Blushing Berries and the Snow Angel, kind of more red tones. So here are the tones. This is Blushing Berries and this is Snow Angel. So here are some of the shade colors. Let me swatch those out. So we'll take this middle shade from Blushing Berries and this shade from Snow Angel. This is the Snow Angel. And this is Blushing Berries. So it is similar, but clearly one is more red based, the other one is a little bit more purple. So I think if you do have both of them, you're gonna be okay. And then let me also swatch out this shade with this shade. So this one is Blushing Berries, and this one is Snow Angels. So Blushing Berries and Snow Angels. So let's get into some eye swatching. Okay guys, so for the swatching process, I'm going to do one eye packed on, one eye blended out. For the packing, I'm going to be using an e.l.f. brush. I just wanted to use things that are a little bit more universal so everybody kind of can get their hands on. This is the e.l.f. shader brush, and I'm also going to be using one of my very favorite blending brushes, the Morphe E27. I'm going to be in between kind of cleaning my brush using the color switch, or this is kind of a dupe for the color switch by Veramona, just to kind of clean off any of the excess product. overall, the palette is very blendable, very creamy, minimal fallout as far as the 3 of the 5 shades, and the other ones it just may have been user error because I did dig in a little bit more to get enough pigment on the eyelid so you guys can see what the color looks like on my skin tone. But overall, I'm very pleased with it. I'm very happy that I picked up this palette. Definitely worth my $32 that I did spend on this beautiful baby. Very glad to add it to my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!